Here we are in Photoshop, so let's use the different patterns to create the designs there. I will choose the pattern stem for create new visuals. So we will keep on changing these patterns as well. Now we will fill up that canvas vertically and horizontally as well. So there it is. Then again I will make the further rectangular marquee tool shape. Change the layer style here. In this way